In this video, you will learn how to customize your YouTube channel. Go to your channel, then click Customize Channel. From here, you can upload a banner image and a logo. So I uploaded the banner image and logo. Scroll down. From here, you can change your name and username. I will add a description. Go to ChatGPT and write a description for my YouTube channel. Then type your channel name. Also describe what type of video you upload. Then press enter. Here we go. We got a great description for my channel. You can do the same thing from your side. Copy and paste here. From here you can also add the description of your channel in local language. From here you can link your social media account. From here add an email address. From here you can add a transparent logo icon that will show in your video. Go to setting, then channel. From here select your country. Add a few keywords related to your channel. Then click save. Again go to channel, advanced setting. This channel is not for kids, so I will keep it. And I will keep everything same. Then save. Again go to channel, feature eligibility. Go to intermediate feature. Then verify your phone number. To unlock this feature, YouTube will send an email after a few days. You will need to verify your identity through that email. Once verified, you will receive another new confirmation email like this. The process is simple, so there is no need to worry.